Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are doing a hair tutorial. As you can see, these are the passion twists as curated by the BOHO Babe. I will tag her below so you can check her out. I originally did this style for my upcoming vacation and they are absolutely perfect. So go ahead and keep watching to see how I get the look. As you guys can see, I have already started to twist my hair and I am showing you guys how I do the twist towards the front. The first thing I'll be using is a 24-hour edge control. I will link this product below. I did pick it up from my local beauty supply store. And I'll also be using the Strength to Restore Leave-In Conditioner from Shea Moisture. You can use any conditioner. I'm just using it to tame the ends as I twist. So the first thing I'm going to do is part a section of the front of my hair. Put some edge control on the roots so that it'll be a little more neat. And I'm going in with the Freetress Bohemian braid in 20 inches, color 1, to twist with. And I will be taking 2 pieces. I use 2 pieces for all of my front twists. Towards the back, I did use 3 pieces per twist just so that they'll be a little thicker. So the first thing I'm going to do before I twist is fluff out both ends of the hair so that you have a little more volume while twisting. And then we're going to go ahead and split the original piece we sectioned off into 2. Then we'll go ahead and place the hair on the middle, basically over the part that you sectioned. And then you're going to go ahead and start twisting to the left. Now I am doing the twist from the root method. This makes the twist look way more natural and just gives it a cleaner look. And so yeah, to start that, you just twist to the left, to the left, to the left until you get it tight enough on the root or tight enough to your root, to your scalp, that is comfortable for you. And then you're going to go ahead and twist the other piece to the left as well. And then you'll start to twist as you go and basically just start twisting it down and make sure that it's secure. So twist and put them over each other. Twist, put them over each other. I hope I explained that well. I will be doing 2 more twists and I will not talk so that you guys can just see the process again. And then I will come back once I get to the bottom of the twist. Alright, and once you get to the bottom of the twist, you're going to go ahead and with some conditioner. You can use mousse or like styling gel, anything you want to use just to tame the ends as you twist so that they're not so frizzy at the ends. And then once you reach the end of the twist, I just kind of twist it around my finger and let it hang. It pretty much does its own little natural curl, and once you let the twist go, it kind of corkscrews up to create the passion twist look. So I'm going to go ahead and do a couple more twists, and I will go off of voiceover so that you guys can just see what I'm doing. And yeah. Now on this part, I did go in with a little bit of the edge control just to tame my hair. On the longer parts of my hair, I did use edge control as I was twisting so that it'll blend better with the twist. Also, I twisted from the root on the very back of my hair and the very front. Basically, all of the places I could reach easier, I twisted from the root, and then some parts in the middle of my head, in the back where I couldn't see, I did braid from the root. That's just a personal thing, just because I didn't want any twist slipping out that I couldn't see. So yeah, but for the majority of my head, it is all twisted from the root. Alright, you guys, and that is pretty much the finished look. I am so loving this twist. They're super lightweight. Like when I tell you guys these are like lighter than kinky twists, anything like that. And even though the hair is long, I only used 5 packs. I bought 8 when I went to the store, when I went to the beauty supply store, but I only ended up using 5 packs. I didn't want them hella thick because I'm going on vacation and I just didn't want hella hair in my head. You guys can make these thicker or thinner to your preference. Again, I used 3 strands towards the back of my head and 2 strands for all of my front twists, and then I braided from the root on the very hard to reach, hard to see places, twisted from the root on the easier places for me to reach. So yes, I'm just showing you guys an up close, and I will go ahead and tag the BOHO Babe in the description box so you guys can check her out. Please let me know if you're feeling this look, because I am, and I love it, love it, love it. But that is all. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep up with me, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.